Hi, good day to you all. Welcome to this session. I am Anil Kumar Narayanan from nextpm.in. So, why are we here today? What is the goal? The goal of this session is to provide you with an understanding of project management. We all do some type of projects or even project management on a if not a daily basis, but at some point of time during our employment or during our day-to-day life. So it's very important, or it's something which is essential to know about project management. So through this session, I aim to make you aware of the tools, techniques and templates, okay, that can be used to effectively work on a project and thereby successful in handling it. Okay, through this session I will take you through different steps, processes and other tools, okay, that will enable you and your team to plan and manage a project from conception to the very beginning, okay, or from the very beginning to the conclusion, and in doing so meet everyone's expectations, okay. And this session can be used as a reference document or a self-study guide, however you might find it useful, okay. Through this session and with your effort, you will start to develop or you will enhance the skills necessary to lead and manage successful initiatives, okay. So before we go deep into, okay, what is project management, I will give you a brief introduction of myself. I am Anil Kumar Narayanan. Some of you may know me by name, okay. I'm a graduate civil engineer basically. I graduated in 2000 with a BTech from Cochin University of Science and Technology. I have around 22 years of experience, in which I was around 15 years in Dubai, Oman and Qatar, and for 7 years I was in India. Other than that, I am a PMP, that is project management professional. I got certification in 2020. Then I did my PGMP in 2022, that is last January. And I am currently pursuing my PFMP. So, after working for almost 2 decades in the industry, I switched to training. I am in India now and functioning as an independent management consultant, trainer and subject matter expert for setting up PMO, okay. And through different sessions, seminars, I used to train managers at real estate developers, builders and contractors, of course for a fee. I have delivered seminars and lectures to engineering students and enhanced their employability. Along with this, I am pursuing my PFMP, that is portfolio management, which I aim to complete by the coming March, that is 2023 March, okay. I'll take you through my certifications. The first one is my graduation certificate, civil engineering from CUSAT, and the second one is PMP, and the third one is PGMP. You will get to know more about me from my LinkedIn profile. So in the next sessions, I will take you through projects, project management and other things related to project management. Till that time, have a good day, okay. Be excited for the next sessions. Happy learning.